Good afternoon, dear viewer. Let's have a short look at the markets. Let's do BTC, let's do maybe ETH, maybe some alts. Um, Let me start by posting a little bit of a recap of what I was posting on my Twitter account. I think I should put my Twitter account actually in the description of this. So that was the plan. And now I need to make it bigger. Okay, so we dumped just before the weekend, then we did some chop, and I said once we establish this Monday range, right, then I should look for a break of the Monday low and then long it until the Monday high. Let's see what happens. That was posted somewhere around here. So here, now I have to delete this. Here, the what I posted was somewhere around here. Then the range was established, so these lines top and low are the range, and this was the break of the low of the range that I talked about, and then along till high. Then I got additional confirmation that this is just a correction. 1, 2, 3, so A, B, C move. We got the triangle in the middle, which means that the next wave coming up is the last wave in this move. So I just put a short just near the Monday high. I just took profit on my longs, placed a short at the top, and then we just did a straight dump. What I'm thinking now is we are not done for sure. So what I would expect is this is 1, 2, 3, break of the Monday low. Over the weekend, maybe we get a 4, or maybe even, sorry, tomorrow is Friday, dump day. So correcting this. 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe over, maybe during the night, and then 5 to take out these lows. And I'm thinking we're going for this 29,200 level. And then over the weekend, we will get some chop. For me, this chop coming out of here is going to be our first, or maybe we even get, maybe even tomorrow, just before the session close, we maybe get some kind of an impulse up. So anyway, whatever breaks this low, for me is an opportunity to buy at the moment. So what I'm expecting is we had 1, 2, this is our 3, this is our 4, this is our 5. So anything below here, a buy. I would expect that we go down to 29,200. Then what I would expect is a 1, 2, 3 move up. So quite a big one. What would it be? Right, 4 or 5%. If you're doing on a leverage, if you're doing it on a leverage, then you can count the numbers yourself. But most important thing is I'm pretty sure that we will take out all these liquidations above here. How high we will squeeze it, I don't know. Here's one level, here's the second level. So in any case, let's see. Let's start with here and 29,200. We will at least squeeze till 30,500. Is my opinion. Maybe we even go to 31,000 and top these levels here. So anywhere between those two, or maybe even lower. So this here's a short area where I will be starting my short position. Minimum range for this short position will be, so again, here buying, and here um, waiting until the break of these levels, and then from here shorting. And my minimum target, is these highs here. That's the bare minimum. I would want to see it come down to somewhere here. Actually, this part here. So I would expect, what I would expect now is, we need to get rid of all that bullshit. Sorry, bear with me. I would expect a longer correction, and I would want to see 1, 2, 3. Everybody goes long because they see these highs are tapped. Then what the price does is, with a 2-3 wave move, goes at least to the half of this correction here, and then it cascades down again to here. That's what I would want to see. I probably will start buying here though. So I might, I don't know my, how should I say, my strategy around here. I don't have a real strategy around here yet. I might buy partial. I might get into some kind of partial entries in here and then wait for higher, and then go in on a correction. I don't know. But at the end of the day, I think we will tap these areas here. On a higher time frame, nothing has changed. So let me go to my Twitter, find my actual and current strategy or plan. It would be this. Yeah. So this was posted sometime at the beginning of July, and at the moment it's following this plan. So for my plan is, we go something like this. Then we, oh shit. 1, 2, 3. Then we go 1, 2, 3. This is our diagonal resistance. We come up to this resistance, we create this smaller diagonal here, and then we go for a bigger correction to these levels here. That's my longer term plan. It would be, I mean, it would be invalidated if we could get a big spike up, a big spike up. If we get something like, I don't know, some kind of a correction here and then straight to here, then it's invalidated. But I don't see it happening, to be honest. Not at the moment, not with what we've got as this chop here. If we look at the daily candles, this one, heavy rejection. Again, so I think we will go down, test the 29,200 level, squeeze up to at least half of this level here. Let's go on the weekly. Yeah, to at least half of this. Half is maybe not the wrong word, but at least to these untapped areas on this, to this liquidity pool. Oh, that's the wording I was looking for. Sorry. To this liquidity pool here. Take out these liquidations, and then come back for to collect more liquidity on the downside. That's BTC. ETH is very simple for me. So I would want to see it go a little bit lower to here, bounce up, and then go down again here to here. Here is where I would be buying. I don't know if I'm going to be trading ETH though. But after this happens, for me, what we're missing is one more wave up in this diagonal kind of formation. Then once we do this, I expect a sharp drop, and then it's not as high as this, a sharp drop to take this liquidity, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. Maybe to this 3,000 mark. If you heard that noise, that's cats fighting. What else do I have? So BTC, ETH, and now we're going to do Rndr. Rndr, still no change. I think this is a big 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 to here, and then we get a major move up. What confirms it to me, if I'm right, that this is a symmetrical triangle. Triangle, always the penultimate wave. So if I didn't fuck up the count of waves here, which is to me is 5, then I would see this one coming down here is the last wave, and then we go up. If we go to Rndr on spot market, no change here. I think I did this on Twitter as well. Where was it? Just need to find it real quick. Oh fuck. The image is too big, so bear with me for a second. I'm gonna make it small. I cannot make it smaller, but in essence, what I'm thinking is this was our wave A, this is our wave B, and then we're gonna get a wave C to round about $4. And that's it. Then it could go much, much deeper. Maybe even take out the lows. And I don't know, if this happens, then bye-bye Rndr, I think. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening. Have a very good day. So long. Bye-bye.